Hello everyone, how are you? I'm hoping you guys are doing great, and in this video we are going to discuss about operating system, what is operating system, what is command line interface, and what is graphical user interface. So let's start with let's start with the operating system first, because this is the on the top of the hierarchy. So operating system is the intermediator between the software and the hardware part. For example, when you are using a computer, so in the computer you're having RAM, you're having ROM, you're having couple of things, right? But what you are using, you are not directly using the RAM, you are indirectly using the RAM. How you are using it? Because on your computer you are having couple of softwares, right, that you are using. Let's suppose you are using a photo editor or video editor app like Final Cut Pro. So to use Final Cut Pro, you are having a software installed on your system. But how? Means the software is utilizing the resources of a RAM or ROM or GPUs. It is doing it by taking the help of the operating system. Operating system is the intermediator between the software that you are using and the hardware that we are having. That is the work of an operating system, to means utilize the resources effectively. Clear? Now we are having different kind of operating system. Most popular one is we are having Linux based operating system, Linux, macOS, and Windows. Means basically if you are talking about the inbuilt operations, that is either Windows or macOS. Okay, so in both of the systems some of the commands are different, but the working are going to be the same. Okay, now the second thing, like we are clear with the operating system. Now next we are having GUI and CLI. GUI means command line interface, and GUI means graphical user interface, CLI means command line interface. So let's discuss about command line interface first. Whatever things you are doing now, right, either it is about right click on the front page and refresh the system, create a folder by right click and go to create folder, copy the file, pasting the file, all the things that you are doing most of the time comes under graphical user interface, because you are using graphics to do so, right? Same things can be done using command line interface as well, by taking the help of CLI or terminal. Okay, where what you can do, you can open that terminal which looks in it's like a black box where you can write the code. You must have used it anywhere, but we are going to discuss further like how we can actually use it. So the main fund of using it, all the things that you are using by graphical user interface, same thing you can do by using terminal or command line interface. In the command line interface, you need to give the commands manually. Like to create a folder, you need to give the command like, okay, just create a folder like make mkdir space the name of the directory. Then it will make a directory or folder for you. But if you are using graphical user interface, you just need to go for right click and create a folder. That is the overall difference between a CLI and GUI. Why we are having two things? Because in the beginning we are having CLI only, command line interface. Then what happened, like to means if you are giving the same interface to the end user, where user don't know how to write the code, how to remember the all the script, like you need to remember the script of copying a file, moving a file, getting the current working directly, daytime. We are having a lot of things. So for the end user to use it, who don't know how to code, it's better to make it a graphical user interface so that he can basically use it. That is the main difference between a CLI and GUI. And because we are from the computer science background, we need to have a logic of CLI itself so that we can manipulate the whole process. So that is the basic difference between operating system, CLI and GUI. Clear? If you're still having any doubt on that, we are having the discussion session for you. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video where we are going to actually dig deeper into the command line interface, either for both Windows as well as Linux based operating system. That is macOS is one of them. So that's pretty much it, and I'll see you in the next video then. Take care.